Hey, C-Guy 1948 here. I'm going to be starting work on the Maytag washing machine. This is a different one than the other one I did. This one's a little bit newer. It's got the shifter knob style engage for the agitator. That down in there. This one's in a lot better shape than the three I took to put that other one together. This one, the ringer, I think I can get that to come back and soak it in Armor All. I think that'll come back alright. Yeah. It's kind of got a flat spot on the roller here, but it should be okay. And you got your forward reverse for the ringer. It's on there. This one here actually has the X frame underneath it. I don't know if you see these holes here. They line up with what I'm about to put on this. I do need a longer hose for the drain. It's kind of a cloth holding it up. But overall, it looks like it's in pretty good shape. So this one really shouldn't take that long to do up. I just need one more wheel for it. Alright, there's what that looks like. And here's what's going on it. My grandpa's Model 72 Maytag engine here. All I did was I put some two-stroke gas in it. We're going to see if she fires up. Hasn't been run since about the last time I did a video on this, so it's been a little while. Now I did run it out of gas, so it's going to need some choking on it. But see how far apart these holes here are, and how far apart these are. That'll just fit right on there. Hook the belt. I've got the right pulley for it. Put the right pulley on it. We'll have a gas-powered washing machine. Easy as that. The hard part's going to be cleaning up this and redoing it, and cleaning up that and redoing it. But this thing was in pretty good shape. Grandpa did some work to it. We'll see if she... Oh, she's already trying. Yeah, we're choked all the way. Let's go ahead and take the choke off, I guess. There she goes. Darn. Well, she's a runner. There's run. Sounds really nice. That's right, where it should be running. It says run. You got the line drawn with the line put in on the cup to make it run. You just gotta watch the hand right here. Grandpa put electrical tape around it. That will shock you. See if we can make her idle down a little bit. Now, got a really nice sound to her. She's gonna die. Maybe not. There she goes. That was a pretty good run at that little idle though. That's a little more than 60 run that. Really, it's not that loud. It's that muffler on there. We take that muffler off. Muffler does quite a bit on this thing. That's probably running about the same speed as it was before, maybe a hair faster. There we go. And to kill it, you just turn it all the way in. But alright, well I think that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick little one on seeing how well this thing wanted to take off and run. I actually don't want to go anywhere. She'll go. There she goes. She got flooded. Alright, well, that's going to do it for this video. I'll be doing more on this as I get to it. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.